In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to Systeme.io. This is essential for those of you looking to manage your payments seamlessly between Stripe and your Systeme.io account. By the end of this guide, you'll be set up to handle transactions smoothly right within your Systeme.io platform. Let's get started. First, you'll need to visit the Systeme.io website and log into your account. If you haven't created an account yet, make sure you sign up so you can follow along. Once you're logged in, take a moment to explore the dashboard if this is your first time here. Familiarizing yourself with the layout can be incredibly helpful down the line. You should notice your profile icon on the top right corner of your dashboard. Direct your cursor there. Hover over the profile icon and you'll see a menu drop down where you should select Settings. In the Settings menu, there are several options related to customizing your account, but today we're focusing on connecting your payment gateway. So you'll want to find and select the Payment Gateways option. This section is crucial because it allows you to integrate various payment gateways that suit your business needs. Look for Stripe Connect among the payment options available. Click on it to start the integration process. At this point, Systeme.io will guide you through the verification process. This involves logging into your Stripe account. If you don't have one yet, you'll need to create a Stripe account, which is straightforward and requires basic information about your business and banking details. Once logged in, Stripe will ask you to authorize Systeme.io to access your account. This step is crucial as it ensures that your transactions are routed correctly and securely from your Systeme.io sales pages. As you follow these instructions, you'll be prompted to verify some details, both from Systeme.io and Stripe's side. This verification step connects both platforms, allowing them to communicate effectively and enables transactions made through Systeme.io to be processed by Stripe, conveniently and without hassle. Once you've completed the login and verification process, you're all set. Your Stripe account is now connected to your Systeme.io platform. This integration will simplify your payment processes, allowing you to focus on other aspects of your business. If at any point you encounter difficulties, both Stripe and Systeme.io offer support options, including FAQs and customer service, which can help troubleshoot any problems you may face. And there you have it. With these few simple steps, you've successfully linked Stripe with your Systeme.io account. Thank you for watching and happy selling.